Every week, hundreds of restaurants are inspected here in the Lowcountry, and they get what's called a health grade. This week, there were more than 100 A's, but some scored lower. Count on 2 investigator Libba Holland has this week's restaurant report card.
First, an update from last week. Southern Roots in North Charleston now has an A after a follow-up inspection yesterday. It previously had a B. But also this week, there are several new B grades in Mount Pleasant and North Charleston. Gray's in Mount Pleasant received a B grade March 14th during a routine inspection. According to the report, the inspector witnessed a food handler place food in their mouth and not wash their hands before resuming work. Also, a food handler touched meat with bare hands while plating food. The inspector also saw some structural issues. Both exit doors were not tight-fitting, so rodent droppings and flies were seen in the storage room. Also, the inspector noted throughout the kitchen, the baseboards were in poor repair with dark buildup. There were also holes in the walls and ceiling tiles. A follow-up inspection should be performed by March 23rd. Another broken egg in Mount Pleasant had a routine inspection March 1st, scored an A, but with several violations. So in a follow-up inspection on March 9th, the restaurant scored a B grade. Some of the violations include a food handler wearing dirty pants and apron, then touching the dirty clothes and handling food without changing gloves. Also, the dishwashing equipment did not meet the right temperature. A follow-up inspection is expected by March 19th. Finally, Hello Deli in North Charleston received a B grade on March 9th. The inspector observed bare hand contact with ready-to-eat food as it was prepared to serve. The inspector also noted cold foods were kept too warm. A follow-up inspection should happen by March 19th. To take a look at other restaurant grades, maybe your favorite, just head to counton2.com and click on the Investigators tab. In the studio, Libba Holland, Count on 2.